2020, 8,688 assaults were recorded on healthcare workers, and of that figure, 48% were directed at our nursing profession. And of that, 4,166 nurses were assaulted in their line of duty. And unfortunately, 6,900 resulted in direct assaults, and of which 60 were of a sexual nature. And unfortunately extends beyond our nurses in that all healthcare workers, including paramedics, members of the Garda Síochána, and indeed our fire services are also subject to assaults. In relation to the Gardaí, since 2005, 5,500 assaults have been reported. And across all the cohorts that I mentioned, there's a large element of unreporting goes ahead. So the subject of the committee stage amendments today is that we would enforce or implement a presumptive minimum maximum prison sentence for anybody found guilty by the courts in relation to this. And we're also introducing a specific offence in relation to the ramming of an emergency service vehicle, that be a fire service vehicle or patrol car or whatever. We all know the value of our emergency workers, and that is even underlined now in even more great detail in relation to COVID-19 and the healthcare workers, and have put their own lives, the lives of their families, on hold for ourselves. And in an emergency situation, let it be sickness or let it be an attack on ourselves, who do we turn to? We turn to our emergency workers, and it's important that we value them, and it's important we send a strong message out that it's not right, it's certainly wrong that these people should be assaulted while they're protecting ourselves.